Does radiation exposure affect our range of movement?
And we're just going to bring our arm up into flexion to see how far she can go.
Test 1 is the baseline with no exposure to radiation.
I'd say that's about 170 degrees, would you say? Not quite the 180, she's at 170 though.
Okay.
We're bringing the arm up. Oh, really?
The laptop radiation alters the range of movement.
And you can see that she's locked. I don't know, I might be generous and give you about 140 degrees.
Right here.
Sure.
Perfect.
Now we put the Omnia Radiation Balancer on the laptop.
Okay, all right, we'll give it a go. Bring the arm up into flexion. Wow, wow, eh? Like it feels better too. It just has a smoother movement again.